Hello friends, welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn that how we can hunt a good hot selling pod and what are the methods. First of all, hope all of you are doing great, and now let's proceed. Just after creating your Amazon Seller Central account, you will need to hunt a product definitely that you will sell on Amazon Seller Central. This is the homepage of Amazon Seller Central, and now we will discuss that how you can hunt a good hot selling product to sell on Amazon and what are the methods. You have to go to Amazon buyer account, and when you will in Amazon buyer account, the very first method is to hunt the hot selling pod or the pod that you want to sell on Amazon, because you do not know and you do not have any idea that what is being sold on Amazon. So just proceed with the negative string. You just have to type negative and then type some random alphabets and then press enter. Amazon give you a lot of product suggestions here. Most of them will have the tab of bestseller. Bestseller means that they are best selling in their category. If you can see, this seller has 7,000 reviews, this seller has 29,000 reviews. This is a lot. So with this method you can hunt a good product. For example, with the negative string, when I searched on Amazon is giving me some random pods. All of these pods are not same. For example, this is the different pod and this is a different pod, and all of them are the different pods from each. So with a negative string, definitely you can hunt a hot selling product to sell on your Amazon Seller Central. And if you do not find any interesting product on the first page, for example, if you have the tight budget and you want to proceed and you want to start selling on Amazon with the price of $300 or $400, then you should proceed with the product who has the price of $20 or $13 with price they are being sold on Amazon. So this is the first page. With the negative string you can proceed to the more pages for more ideas. If we check on the second page, you will see all of the pods are different. You can select any of them. Let me tell you, if I will hunt the product, what I will see. You just have to open the pod that you want to sell. For example, I want to sell this product. I will definitely proceed with this pod. The reason is that this pod has a small dimensions. This pod has the small weight, and definitely if in future I will need to do Amazon FBA and I will need to send the inventory to Amazon warehouse, Amazon will charge less fees. Let me tell you, when we do Amazon FBA and Amazon FBN, in Amazon FBA, if you will send the product who has larger dimensions and larger weight, then Amazon will charge definitely higher fees. But if you proceed with the product who has small dimensions and less weight, then Amazon will charge less fees. For example, if I would like to proceed with this pod, I will just open that product and I will check the reviews of this pod, that how much people are liking this product. So just go to the bottom of this listing and go to the reviews portion, just right here. So these are the 81% with the 5-star reviews, and 11% people are 4-star, 3% people having with the 3-star reviews, and 2% given 2-star reviews to this seller, and 3% people means the customer gave him 1-star review. So I just need to read out all of these reviews. The best approach to hunt the good product and to decide that you will proceed with that product or not is to read the 1-star review. What will be the benefit? When you will read the 1-star reviews, you will need to know that what are the basic things that the customer is not liking or loving in the product. So it will create a good impact, and also you will learn that if you proceed with this pod, what things that customers do not like in this pod, and you will definitely avoid it. So this is the way that you use when you hunt the pod with the method of negative string. Let me tell you again. When you go to Amazon buyer account, you have to type minus and then you have to type some alphabets and then press enter. Amazon will give you ideas of different pods and you can select any product from them to sell on Amazon. The second way is that you can proceed from these categories. For example, if you are you want to sell in specific categories. For example, I want to sell baby products and I want to hunt the product in baby category. I will just click on baby, and I will remove this negative string and I will press just enter. Okay, from now we have a multiple brands and we have some products related to category of babies. So it's the best approach to proceed with the brands. Okay, this is the Amazon choice product. If you scroll down, you will see a multiple different products to sell on Amazon. This is a good product to sell, and this product is the best to sell for the baby products. Definitely, this is the best way. Actually, I recommend this method to proceed with the category to hunt the product. This is the best approach to hunt the hot selling product to sell on Amazon. And we discussed two methods. One is the negative string, second one is moving with the category, and the third one is to moving brand to brand. What we will do, we will just type in this method, we will also type negative string, and then we will just open any seller listing, and we will just click on visit the store. This will also give us a random idea that what products are being sold on Amazon and how many they are making revenue. So actually keep in mind, when we start hunting product on Amazon, we do not know what we have to sell. We decide all of these things according to our budget, that how much budget do we have in our pocket to proceed. If you have lower budget, then you should proceed with the product who has less prices, and if you have high budget, then you should proceed with the products who has high dimensions and high weights. Definitely, if you have any question about this lecture, do not hesitate to ask in the comment box. In the coming lectures, we will discuss in detail that how to use the brand sheets, analytic sheets to hunt the product, and also how to use the helium 10 to hunt the pods. So keep following. Thank you.